to solve some fun and exciting math puzzle. Can you solve it quickly and efficiently? Let's find out. It will test your capability and critical thinking in this math puzzle. Let's begin. In this math puzzle, can you find out the missing number? As you can see, the two circles has complete numbers on them, while the other circle has a missing number on it. Can you determine what number is it? In the first circle, it has 9, 2, and 7, while in the second circle, it has 8, 1, and 9. Lastly, in the third circle, it only has 9 and 6, and there's one missing number. Can you figure it out? You have 15 seconds to answer. Time's up. Let's check the correct answer. As you can see here in the solution, in the first circle, 9 plus 2 plus 7 equals 18. While in the second circle, 8 plus 1 plus 9 equals 18. In the third circle, the missing number is 3. As we add 3, 9, and 6 equals 18. The sum of each circle is 18. It is easy to figure it right. I hope you enjoy this puzzle. Let's see the next puzzle to be solved. In this math puzzle, try to fill in the missing numbers. You need to enter numbers in each row and column to arrive at the end totals. Only numbers 1 to 9 are used, and each only once. Find out the missing numbers to get the correct answer. You have 25 seconds to answer. Time's up. Let's check the correct answer. In the first horizontal row, the answer must be 8 minus 5 equals 3 plus 3 equals 6. While in the second horizontal row, the answer must be 6 plus 9 equals 15 minus 1 equals 14. In the third horizontal row, 7 minus 4 equals 3 plus 2 equals 5. In the first vertical row, 8 minus 6 equals 2 plus 7 equals 9. In the second vertical row, 5 plus 9 equals 14 minus 4 equals 10. Lastly, the third vertical row, which is 3 minus 1 equals 2 plus 2 equals 4. You just need to figure out the correct numbers to get the final answer. It is easy, right? There will be more examples of math puzzles to be solved.
Mathematical puzzle. These are rearrangement puzzles in which a number of toothpicks are arranged as numbers in equation or shaped like square, and it is required to move toothpick to make the equation correct or make change the shape. Example, as you can see, the equation is wrong. But how can one toothpick be shifted to make the equation true? Remember, you just need to move one toothpick to make the equation true. Now I will give you 10 seconds to answer this. Time's up. Do you have an idea what toothpick must be moved? Let me show you to make this equation true. First, you need to move this one toothpick and move it here. So, do you think the equation now is true? Let's see. 5 minus 5 is 0. Then, plus 6 is equal to 6. Therefore, we can consider this equation true. For the next puzzle, the instruction is how to arrange 3 toothpicks to get 3 equal squares. Remember, you must only move 3 toothpicks to get 3 squares. I will give you 10 seconds to solve these puzzles. Do you have an idea what toothpick should be moved? Let's see if we're on the same page. Now, we must remove this toothpick and put it here. Then, second toothpick. And the third toothpick. Did you guys get the same? Are the puzzle now 3 equal squares? Yes. Now we solve this puzzle.
Can you solve this problem? You have 25 seconds to answer. The answer is 7. Are you wondering how we got 7? I'll teach you how. From the given, it can be observed that multiplication and addition are involved in the problem. This can be solved by assuming some constant for each object and solving based on the condition given. Let's solve this problem in order to get the value of the lipstick. In the first row, it consists of shoes plus shoes plus shoes equals to 15. So let's assume that the value of each shoes is 5 because 15 divided by 3 is equals to 5. In the second row, it consists of bag plus bag times shoes equals to 60. We already have the value of the shoes. So what we'll do now is we will think of a number that when it is multiplied to 5 and then added to the number that came into your mind will result to 60. The number that came into my mind is 10. So let's assume that the value of each bag is 10. Remember, we should apply PEMDAS in order to get the correct answer. So 10 times 5 is equals to 50 and then add the remaining 10 and the result is 60. In the third row, it consists of perfume times perfume plus shoes equals to 14. We already have the value of the shoes. So what we'll do now is we will again think of a number that when it is multiplied by itself and you'll add 5, the result will be 14. The number that came into my mind is 3 because 3 times 3 is equals to 9 and if you'll add the value of the shoes which is 5, it will result to 14. Always remember that we should apply PEMDAS in order to get the correct answer. Let's now move on to the last one. In the fourth row, it consists of shoes plus bag plus perfume plus lipstick equals to 25. What we'll do here is that we must find the value of the lipstick. We already have the value of the shoes, bag, and perfume. So 5, which is the value of the shoes, plus 10, which is the value of the bag, plus 3, which is the value of the perfume, equals to 18. We will subtract 18 from 25 in order to get the value of the lipstick. So 25 minus 18 is 7. So the value of the lipstick is 7. Can you crack the code? You have 25 seconds to answer. The code is 389. Are you wondering how we got 389? I'll teach you how. There are 4 statements here that can help you to crack the code. The first statement is one digit is correct and it is in the correct position. The second statement is no digits are correct. This means that you should not acknowledge these 3 numbers on the other statements. The third statement is one digit is correct but it is in the wrong position. We will first start in the third statement. We will cross out number 2 because as stated in the second statement, numbers 2, 4, and 6 are incorrect. Number 1 is also not applicable because it will clash with number 1 in the first statement. So the answer in the third statement is 8. The fourth statement is 2 digits are correct, both are in the wrong position. We will cross out number 6 because as stated in the second statement, numbers 2, 4, and 6 are incorrect. Number 8 must be transferred to the second spot. Why? Because 8 cannot be placed in the first and third spot because of the third and fourth statements. The remaining number, which is 3, must be transferred to the first spot because of the fourth statement. Lastly, we'll find the correct digit in the first statement. It can't be 1 because of the third statement, and it can't be 5 because 8 already holds the second spot, so the correct answer in this statement is number 9. So the code is 389.